Welcome to Module 2.2, Infant Toddler Caregiving and Curriculum Overview. Just a reminder that if you're using certain technology devices, you may not initially see this introduction. So scroll down and you will have access to this formatted web page. So let's click in there. It's exactly the same information that was in the initial description box. Module 2.2 is going to require that students read chapters 3 and 4 in our Infant, Toddler, and Caregivers textbook. Chapter 3 reviews caregiving as curriculum and focuses on how caregiving builds the relationship on which curriculum is dependent. It also explores how curriculum involves planning for learning, how learning is connected to attachment, and how programs can plan for enhanced attachment and relationships with the young children. Chapter 4, Play and Exploration as Curriculum, highlights the 4 adult roles and the importance of facilitating the play of infants and toddlers. You will learn the primary considerations when setting up a learning environment for play and why these are important. This is the beginning of your introduction of information specific to your space design, which we will be introducing in the next few weeks. Just a reminder that you want to be reviewing the required read-watch materials to support your time management, and then determine if the +1 opportunities will enhance further understanding. You are currently watching the Module 2.2 overview video, and this will be available throughout the semester. Your learning objectives for this submodule are many. They include summarizing concerns and beliefs related to infant-toddler care, summarizing the importance of the first 3 years of life in terms of development and of competence, identify factors that influence infants' adjustment to group settings, describe caregiver, infant, and toddler interactions related to holistic development, plan exemplary activities for infants and toddlers, explain the responsibilities and duties of primary caregiving in the infant and toddler programs, and develop a lesson plan that fosters social, emotional, sensory, motor, cognitive, or language development. So your to-dos for this module include the following. As always, you're going to review and complete the read-watch materials. Review, complete, and then submit your complete items. Those are your assessments. There are 2 required assessments in this module and 2 +1 opportunities. All students need to complete the 21st Century Learners Discussion Board. Please make sure that you're reviewing the assessment supplement for the discussion board. This is a slightly different model of a discussion board or format of a discussion board, in that there will be leaders for each of our 5 developmental domain discussion boards. Module 2 review is a +1 opportunity. Social emotional group time review and evaluation. Students will be looking at a social emotional group time. This will help you better understand the lesson planning process and review what a group time looks like. In addition, you have the course progress check-in, and again, this is a +1 opportunity. That is your overview. We're going to go back into the Module 2.2, and if we go into the read and watch, you will see that you have the Chapter 3 lecture. There are 2 additional learning opportunities, so think about how you're reading and using the lecture. There's, again, 2 opportunities. After reading Chapter 3, there's the highlight worksheet. This is more of a fill-in the blank short kind of quiz format. And the Chapter 3 Caregiving as Curriculum fill in the blank. This can be used as you read your filling in. So if you like to put pen to paper and that helps you retain information, this might be an option for you. The fill-ins and the highlights are also good opportunities when you're preparing for the first exam. Again, please notice that these are +1 opportunities. They are not required and they are not going to be submitted. Same for Chapter 4. You have the lecture. It has all of the lecture filled in. And you have, again, the Chapter 4 highlights as well as the fill-in opportunities. Please take time to watch the Ella Sarah Gets Dressed video, as well as the video about how we scaffold children's learning. Those are your read and watch components. And then you have your complete items. Again, you have the developmental domain discussion board. The first one is looking at the whole child, the 21st century learner. You have your +1 opportunity to do the module review. This looks at chapters 1 through 4. Social emotional lesson plan review and evaluation. Here you're going to review videos, respond to the related questions, and evaluate the infant and infant social emotional circle time. Okay. The last item here is your course progress check-in. And again, that's a +1 opportunity. We hope that these reviews are continue to be supportive of your success. And if you have any questions, please connect with a classmate or your course instructor.